Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem you can see here, EOS Webcam Utility. So I got my Canon M50 plug in, the cable is working, everything's fine, but for some reason you cannot see my camera. So it have nothing to do with updates, cable are fine, there's nothing to close down here. So what I realized recently on my laptop that are using Windows 11. So when you got this problem, you need to deactivate your laptop camera in order to get this iOS Canon working. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You click Start, go to Setting. I'm going to look for here, look for camera. Can come to Manage Camera. Okay. So here I got two camera connected. I got the HP True Vision camera. This is the one, as you can see it here. And then I got my Canon iOS. Okay, it's not working. So I'm gonna go back, open the HP. If I click disable it, I'm gonna click yes. Now the camera is gone. I'm gonna go back. As you can see now, it's working, right? So this was the problem I found. If I go back to the camera, I already disabled this one. So remember, you have to disable your laptop camera, be able to use your Canon iOS. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.